Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can make viral captions inside Capcut. So here on my timeline I'm having a voiceover, also with some subtitles on top of it, captions. As you can see, I'm going to preview what it looks like. So now we need to make this animation of this caption much more engaging. So how you can do that is by highlighting it, going to animation in here, then you can select caption. And what I like to use is that I'm using this color bounce. Right now it's on my favorites, but you can find it in here in this list of captions, or you can type it here. So once you get this out of the way, this is just the animation, it's not the whole process. So you need to go back to text, then you can select your font. So I'm selecting that, I'm going down. I'm selecting this preset style, which is the first one. This will add me a stroke. Next, I'm increasing the size of it to about 200. Then I'm going down and on a stroke, make sure that it's highlighted. I'm increasing the stroke to about 70. Now let's leave something for a background so you can see it. So let's preview. So that was the video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.